Hey, ooh, yeah, let's go. Outshine October, Hyundai. Outshine October, Hyundai. Outshine October, Hyundai. Way. Outshine October, yo, outshine October, Hyundai, outshine October.
Hello everyone, my name is Zvinopinda, or you can call me BGM. Welcome to Outshine October 2021. Outshine October 2021 is all about a music competition where we have our upcoming artists they're going to compete singing songs. Actually, our topic this week is about friends, so they're going to make music singing for their friendship. So we have our list that you have. We have Ruru from Bintura, we have Raptarian from Trojan, we have Rasnax from Mandarin, we have Shiverman from Maziwa, we have Sheila City from Bintura, we have Galibi from Trojan, we have Skezo from Mandarin, we have Mr. J. from Rishinga, and our last contestant is Patman from Bindura. So before we go any further, let's give you our video from our last year winner. Stay tuned, it comes.
DJ Taffy, EIC, oh what, drop it. Unofila say, kana uri wani, usina plani, madiri kwani, unongoti mawani, yes mawani, namba iri iwani. Akutanga, Adamu aiva wani, atangosikwa na makuru wani, akada kusiba, chino nzipunani, amena kazo mufurira kutindiani, ukavunda chanko chino nziwanu wani. Seraisi, takangosikwa wanu wani, that's why zimseki tangatiri wanu wani. Apana parasipisaka, apana mapani, aiberi tayoroti papa iwani. Most high, makuru wani, pasipaino kebu wata visirangu wani, ase architecta sirana o maplani. Chora wani, Anti one, Asiuri one, Shimonoda Kupan, she can't get ready. Apana number one, Asitachi Laini, Tinoda number one, Unosiva Ereten, Akatanga Pana Wani, Iwa Pumi Wakatanga Kutu Wani, Kuti Salary Pinde, Tanga Day Wani, Muge Moda Matata Modama number one, Titudo, Goki Pantia number one, Asiparara Uya, Hey, Mawani, Tokona Kungo Kakwa, Otokanda Wani, Muna Interminate Timu Yotoro Wani Taka, Sata Ise, Sipare Munu Wani, Amutiba Kandi Pesa. Yani, Tomarato Igosa Marori Matanira Tenderera Semakuwa, Mulokesani Aya, Mawani, yes, Mawani, you Mawani, yes, Mawani, Apapana Mafani, Tokutinda Kato Samandaka, Patagani.
Hello guys, welcome back to our show Outshine. So here we got our bottom three. I will start with Chile City. Chile City got 2 points. But please don't forget to check out his video and vote for him next time. And our next one, we got Rasnax. This one got 0 points. I don't know what happened to him. Actually, he didn't show up. And also the last one, we got Nela all the way from Norton. She is a new entry. And what happened to our girls here in Bindura? Mandarin, where are you? Where are you, Mazoa girls? Where are you? Please don't forget to join in this show, okay? Then before I forget, I got this. Hello, this one is from it's our new partner. Actually, it's a partner. This sells a new solar system here in Bindura. Only costs $110. Please don't forget to go and buy it.
Mawani, yes, Mawani, you Mawani, yes, Mawani, Apapana Mapani, Gokutinda Kato Samandaka, Patagani, Mawani, Rasta Mawani, Apani Mapani, Taka, Patagani, Mawani.
We got our 2 voting system. We have the Facebook voting system and we got a WhatsApp voting system. Let me start with the Facebook voting system. All you gotta do is to go on 210 Entertainment page. You go like the page first and go on our post and also like the post. And then you go on comment section. There you are going to rate I vote for BGM if she's the one on the video. And also we got our WhatsApp platform voting system. On WhatsApp we got groups. And on those groups there are videos that are going to be sent in there. All you gotta do is just to go and long press our video and go on your right chat far right end, and then you're going to see the 3 dots. All you gotta do is just to press reply, privately, and then you say, I vote for Blessing Gladys Mbanda. If she's the one who's singing, I also know how to sing though. Okay, I'm going to explain this one golden point. We're saying that you got 2 points from Facebook and you got another 2 points from WhatsApp, and you're singing along our topic line, and you're going to earn this extra one, so you got 5 points. So we're saying that even if you are earning 2 points from Facebook and earning another 2 points from WhatsApp, but you're not singing along our topic lines, you still have 4, even if it was draw. You are a loser. Okay guys, the moment that you've been waiting for, actually we were eagerly waiting for this moment, it's right here, right now, is going to hear our top 3 winners of our weekly friendly match. Actually we have Shivaman. Shivaman is going to listen to
Dzipisha mwari chaidzo aisaunde ndatinderatidze zinoire marino paisairi kungofuratiri unopera ime dzipisha mwari chaidzo aisaunde ndatinderatidze zinoire marino paisairi kungofuratiri unopera ime.
Okay, so you're saying that Shivaman got 3 points from WhatsApp, got 1 point from Facebook, and this one golden point because he was on topic. Please guys, don't forget to vote for him next time on Facebook. Let's support this upcoming artist, right? So our next number 2, we got Ruru from Bindura. Let's hear her read the song.
Farane kusua, sekane kuchema, goa tose munege muripo. Shamwari zangu, ninora kukutenda. Shamwari zangu, thank you.
Okay, this was Ruru representing the ladies. Amandombazana. Ruru got 3 points from WhatsApp, another point from Facebook, and this one special point, that's the golden point, because she was also on. She's a good singer, you guys. Don't forget to support her on Facebook. Next time, please don't forget to vote for her. So this time we got our king, the king of kings, our leader, our number 1. I bet this one was so good. Let's listen to Red Tyrants from Trojan.
Falling apart, uchema cause kuna mafenzi andino pinda chero mbuti ndopinda namba notipa kariti kana usina ako majizi nyangwe msitu utora utupati bikefu uchepa kuchuza ukangopaisa wapinda mawani andidi mapese chikazi mamero andidi kuti pita secha sekero ndakazomanya na besti boys zabenga nichinda kuchotesa neno akandichisa kundiwadzisa.
Okay people, this was Right Talent, right? He is the best one, the best of the best, our number 1 for this week, a friendly match. So people, we seen that this rap, guys, 3 points from WhatsApp, another 3 points from Facebook, and this one special golden point because he was on point and also he sang very well. And thank you very much. So our next week, Sizoyenza Ento Zotando, our competition is on love. So please don't forget to vote for our new upcoming artists and support them and like our 210 Entertainment page on Facebook. All you gotta do, press like it.
Unofila sei kana uri wani usina plani atiri wani unogoti mawani. Yes mawani namba iri iwani akutanga Adamu aiva wani atangosikwa na makuru wani akada kusiva chinonzi kunani ameno akazomufurira kuti ndirani ukabvunza chanko chinonzi wanu wani seraisi takangosikwa wanu wani asi waizi museki tanga tiri wanu wani hapana bharasipi saka hapana mapani aibheri tairoti baba iwani most high makuru wani pasi painokebhuwa tobvisira ngowani asi architecta asiyanawo maplani tora 1 andidi 1 asi uri 1 chimonoda kupa ani chikanzi get ready hapana number 1 asi tachilaini tinoda number 1 unoziva here 10 akatanga pana 1 iwo vapfumi vakatanga kuti 1 kuti salari pinde tanga day 1 mugame moda matsatsa moda manumber 1 tituno gokipa ndiye number 1 asi barara uya ma1 togona kungodhakwa otokanda 1 mu90 minutes timu yotorowa 1 taka sataize simba remunhu 1 hamudziva kandibvesa kuti ndiani tomarato igozva marori makamira tenderera semakuhwa mulokeshani aya ma1 yes ma1 ndiwo ma1 yes ma1 apa pana mafani nokuti ndakatotsamwa ndakabatagani ma1 rasta ma1 apani mafani ndakakoka gani ma1 yes ma1 kana kuri kutora chitora ka1 asidijeka ivhirire bhara i1 uchida kuri pusha wopusha uri 1 chingoma ilolipop unodya uri 1 kana rika kubohwa yeako ma1 tinovese hamurige chamoriga chinhu 1 chinotambwa makore chichiitwa ka1 taita getorese ripinde pama1 rikati watagwanira tavongoti ma1 inzwa valipira ridhimu iri ma1 kugona uku asi muno maka